I would love to know why I choose to look so good on camera. Hey everybody, so you guys have been asking for a skincare routine non-stop from me, and the reason I haven't been doing it is because my skin is actually SHIT, and what you're seeing is the product of the Sony camera filter. I switched back to my Canon G7X. There's no filter. I have a ring light on so you can see my skin, and you're probably looking at it and you're like, dude, it's not even bad. You're right, it's not right now. But I'm gonna tell you what effed up my skin, and then I'm gonna tell you what I did to get it to here, and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use now, and we're gonna see if we can get it flawless. First, what messed up my skin? These babies right here. Before this, my skin was probably like this. You know, it was like fine. I really didn't have that many issues with it, but I wanted to go that extra step, and I always get little bumps on my face. I have clogged pores, and I'll get like acne here and there, so I was like, I'm ready to like step it up and try something better. So I wanted tretinoin, and I was almost positive I wanted that. It is a retinol for like acne prone skin, so I thought. So I went on Apostrophe, and I basically just gave them a full background on my skin. I've been on Accutane, I've taken minocycline, I've tried basically everything for my skin. Accutane was the only thing that worked for me, and that was like 6 or 7 years ago, so my skin is kind of going back, which sucks. So they prescribed me tretinoin. It's 0.025%, and then this also has niacinamide in it, 4% of that, and that's for like acne scars. And I knew going into this that this was gonna break me out and I was gonna have a purge. So the first month of using it, I had insane texture all over my skin that I don't have now, and it was definitely a purge. Like, obviously everything was coming to light, and I was like, oh, this feels so good, I know it's working. And then it's been about 3 months since then, and I started getting, here's like the remnants, help. Here's like the last bit of one of them. I started getting these really bad under the skin like cystic acnes, and I have a few scars from old ones, and I have been gotten those since Accutane, and they haven't been going away, and I've been using this tretinoin for 4 months now. And I researched, and I found all these articles talking about tretinoin is great for most people, but some people with acne prone skin, it clogs your pores like no other. I think that's what it was doing to me. So the cleanser I used, basic gentle skin cleanser from Cetaphil. Researched this. There are some ingredients in it that some people with acne prone skin, it makes them break out more. Every time I've used Cetaphil, I break out more. So I think I'm one of those people. And then I literally threw it away because I didn't want to touch it ever again, because I knew I'd be like tempted to, was the CeraVe like gentle regular moisturizer. There are some things in it that break out some people with acne prone skin. And I feel like that's the thing. There's no one skincare routine for everybody, and I'm trying it all out, and I'm just letting you know. So if you use these products and they work for you, amazing. I'm jealous. They're so cheap, they're easy to find, but they are obviously not working for me. So what I've been using the past week to get my skin to here, it's literally only been a week since stopping that, and my skin is already improving from stopping the tretinoin. I just went super basic. I have this face wash, as you can see I'm really using it, from Starface. It's just simple. It's a foaming facial cleanser. My skin loves it. I've used it before and I stopped for some reason, and now I'm back on it. Amazing. And then I've just been using Pond's, and this also has like some mixed feedback, but every time I use Pond's my skin feels great. This is all I'm using morning and night, and my skin is clearing up, but it's not what I want it to be, but it's better than the tretinoin. Now, this is where the fun part comes in. I got a package today of the new skincare I ordered, and I want to try it out the first time with you guys, and then at the end of Vlogmas, I can give you guys an update on my skin, and we can see if it's doing anything, because these products, they should only take about 3 weeks, a month or 3 weeks to start seeing some results. So I did a bunch of research, and I found really good reviews about Vivint is the skincare brand, and they have like full sets you can buy. So you take a little skincare quiz like so many brands have now, and they'll give you like four steps: face wash, a toner, a moisturizer, and like a retinol. And this whole kit was 150 bucks. Seems expensive, but getting your whole kit for 150 is, I think, a pretty good deal. So the first product we have is the BP 3% exfoliating cleanser. So let's try this out. Gotta wash my hands first. It's pink. I don't know if you can tell. Oh yeah, it's got exfoliating. I love it. Is that ASMR or gross? Debatable. Normally I use my Vanity Planet brush. I have it right over here, but since this has exfoliates little beads in it, I'm gonna pass. Oh, it feels so good though. I just want to keep using it. Also, this is not sponsored. I don't know if you could tell or not. It's not. I bought this all with my own money. Okay, then a lot of people say pat your skin dry. But my old dermatologist, I have like all these little bumps on my face, and she said it's totally okay to kind of rub where you have those bumps. Don't rub around your eyes, obviously. So I rub around my like chin and then my forehead. And honestly, I feel like it helps. It's the toner, or the tonic. It's not toner. Dude, I love this packaging. Here's the tonic. The G7X makes you be old school YouTuber, or else it won't focus. Okay, this is just the normalizing tonic, so I'm gonna take this on a little cotton swab, I think. I really like that pump, because I hate doing those. And we're gonna take this and put it all over my face. And I was reading about this. It has a distinct smell. I don't know what it is. I was reading about this, and this is mostly to like make your skin absorb the other products that are, you know what this smells like? Proactive. I've tried Proactive too, because I'm telling you guys, I've tried everything under the sun. And my skin has been good. It's good when I don't eat gluten. But you know what isn't fun? That. I'd rather have acne. I'd rather have acne than not eat a bag of hot munchies. Okay, then we use the Exfol A, and this is just a vitamin A serum, and I think it's kind of like a retinol. It says start using it every other day. It's basically the same thing as tretinoin. Tretinoin is just a lot of vitamin A also, but this doesn't have the acne-causing ingredient that tretinoin has. So I've read. Who doesn't love this packaging? How much did I use? I'm gonna do 3 drops. It didn't really say. It smells weird. It kind of smells gross, if I want to be honest. Why does it smell like dirty feet? Ew. Ew. Normally when stuff smells like SHIT though, it makes me think it's good. They're not trying to like frou-frou anything. They're like, hey, this smells really bad, but it's so good, you're gonna keep using it. That's what I'm gonna tell myself while I'm using it right now. And then we've got the Acne Safe Day Treatment Lotion with SPF 15. And the cool thing about this is like if you already have a face wash you already really love, you can still use that and buy any of these products on their own individually. You don't have to do the like skincare routine that they make for you. I just did it because when I started researching all my products, I realized they were all awful for me. So they didn't give me a moisturizing lotion for at night though, so I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to use. Because why would I use something with SPF in it? This is my good side, you guys. It doesn't break out. This side always breaks out. But that's my skin. That's the skin update. We are going to keep using this for the rest of December. I mean, I'm gonna keep using it probably longer if I don't have like a bad reaction or something. I might break out again or get really dry again, it said, which is okay. Honestly, at this point, I'm used to it. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this skincare routine. I know it's a little different than how normal people do it. They don't really like find a good one and tell you guys. But it's how I work over here, so that's it. I'm really excited to try out this new skincare though. Again, it wasn't sponsored. I bought all this with my own money. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Especially subscribe if you want to see how the skincare ends up. And I will see you guys in tomorrow. Bye.